Howdy, sewing friends. There, I threw you off. You thought I was going to say hi, sewing friends, didn't you? Well, hi, sewing friends. It's Alice Murray with Murr-Made Designs. And you are joining me on day 81 of my crazy, impossible, silly, I don't know, some more adjectives, sewing challenge, where I've challenged myself to show you 365 days of sewing makes. 365 days. That's a lot of days. 81 also seems like a lot of days. But one day at a time, right? So today I'm going to show you New Look. New Look also has very good patterns. This is New Look 6628. And it is a very simple dress for knits. You can make it as a dress, or you can make it as separates. Show you the line drawing and get something that resembles focused. It has elastic. You can either have elastic in the sleeves or not, and there's elastic in the collar. You can't see that at all. There, that's better. And elastic in the skirt if you make a skirt. And I made the dress. And I kind of love it. This is definitely a dress, if it wasn't winter, that you could wear around home. It is as comfy as a nightgown. It has nice pockets. It's kind of this gorgeous knit. I'm not sure what, I don't have where this is from, this knit. I don't know. Is that flowers? Is it fireworks? I don't know what it is. But it is very comfy. It's kind of a textured knit. And it's kind of got this interesting fake neckline. It has elastic in the neckline, and then it has this tie, but the tie has nothing to do with the elastic. So it was kind of fun. It was kind of fun to make. And I made the tie out of the selvage edge, so it's not a great tie. But the thing about living out here, I live out here in the middle of nowhere. There is no handy dandy sewing store around the corner. Plus, with the lockdown, I'm not going to any handy dandy sewing stores. So, like if there's something I need, a little piece of lace or something, I just kind of make do. So yeah, that is day 81. And I believe that New Look 6626, which is, I believe it's a 2020 release, is, I'm pretty sure it's a 2020 release, that it is a winner, and that this knit fabric, which I forget where I got it, is also a winner. And today in my grateful thread, what I am grateful for is my grateful thread. At the beginning of this channel, my children suggested to me the name Grateful Thread, and suggested that, you know, I talk about something every day that I'm grateful for. And I think that's a lovely idea. And to ask you to think about what you're grateful for today, because there's a lot of stuff going on in the world, and but still there's beauty and joy in the middle of all of that. So, you know, it's important for us to work hard at remembering what we're grateful for. And to do this every day and try to have something different that I'm grateful for every day really helps me think hard about what I'm grateful for. By the time I get to 365 different things I'm grateful for, well, that'll be exciting to see what that is. But I am grateful to my children for suggesting that I work that into my channel. And I hope that you like that too. And I hope that you are sewing, because sewing is so much fun.